Hi everybody, Dizzy Crafter here with another haul. Made this purchase. I'm really made up of how quickly it actually come. I placed the order on Saturday and it's here on Monday, so I feel like that's just absolutely crazy. And this is actually from Crafts for Less, and because they wasn't going the Birmingham NEC craft show, they actually sent an email to say there was 10% off, so I obviously had to go online and see what goodies I could get. So I'm gonna just dive in here and then share with you what I got. I don't think it'll be much of a surprise the way that my hauls are going of late. So as you can guess, it's another box of Lavinia goodies. I am just slightly obsessed with these at the moment, and I know you may be just getting really a bit fed up of all the Lavinia stamps, but me personally, I just don't see how you can, just because of how beautiful they are. Now a lot of these stamps was in the sale as well, so it's the 10% off, so I actually got a really good deal. I'm really made up that I got them. I think I actually went onto Lavinia and priced up the differences, and I'd literally, if I'd bought this from Lavinia, it'd cost me just shy of £30 more. So I'm really made up, because that meant I could get a few extra stamps. So the first one we've got is the Zen houses. Now these I think must be one of the earlier ones. I mean, it's stamp 326, but they're just so cute. And the houses was never one I really wanted to go to until we did the class with Jo Rice a few weeks ago at my local craft group, and basically she'd used, I had a house, but she used one with ours, and it's just kind of inspired me to get more of the houses. And then the next one, we've got 3 dancing fairies. I mean, how cute are those? And then we've got Fairy Wishes Large. So it's Fairy Wishes and Angel Kisses. And then we've got a Badger, and it's just called Badger. Now my sister-in-law's got this, and it stamps up so beautifully, although all the stamps always do. And then we've got the crow set, which I actually think I've got. After I place the order, I'm like, I'm sure you bought the crow set, but I'm going to have to double check, and if I have, then I know somebody who'd be grateful for those. And then we have Area, this lovely fairy sitting down, well, kneeling down really. And then we've got Arlo the fish. And then we have Valco. I think that name is really good fitting. And then we have Celeste. So my fairies are coming along lovely now, because I've picked a few more up. And then we've got Let Your Spirit Take Flight, and that's exactly what it says. And then we've got Blue Orbs. And then we've got Fairy Spells, and it's just got lots of words in there. And then we've got Zen Tall Mushrooms. I just think these are so cute. I can't believe I've not picked these up before now, but I just really love them. Then we've got the Stag. Again, I can't believe I never actually got the Stag, because at Christmas I had a big thing about buying stags and days and stuff, so I'm surprised I didn't get that one. And then we've got Fairy Tale. Then we have Lola. Her name is Lola. Sorry. And then we have Max. Then we have the Swing Bed Small. And then we have Aurora. I feel like this is so pretty, this one. I've got another one of these Zen houses, and it's Zen Large Mushroom. Then we've got Reef Flourish Left. So I need to get the reflourish right now. Then we've got fairy lanterns. And then we have fairy hive. So they're the stamps. Now I said from the day dot that when I got back to doing crafting that I would not buy any glitter, and I've kind of stuck to that, other than when they've come in like goodie bags and stuff. Apart from one glitter I knew I did want, which was the glamour dust, because I loved that from days as old and it's still as good as it was back then. But I just couldn't resist the glitters from Lavinia. I'm really sorry, but I couldn't. So I just got most of what they had in stock. One of them for some reason was £6 something, which I was like, I'm not paying that when it's like £4 something on Lavinia. But obviously the rest was £4 something minus the 10% anyway. Plus I think there was in on slightly discounted as well. So the first one we've got is Christmas tinsel. I'm just going to open it. I don't know if they're sealed. If they're sealed, I'm not going to unseal them, but hopefully they're not. So there you go. Just let camera focus. It's just so lovely. Then we have Arabian Surprise. Again, just beautiful purples and blues. The camera is struggling to focus, unfortunately, but I feel like you can get a gist of the colours anyway. Then we have Vintage Shimmer, and I'm loving the jars they come in. Oh wow, that is gorgeous. Teals, and it looks like a white gold in there, or it could be silver. I'm not too sure on that one. I'll have to test them out. And then we have Peacock Feathers, which I know I'm going to love because obviously it's going to be greens. And look at that, it's greens and golds again. Lots of different chunks of glitter, like fine glitters and chunky glitters in there, but they all have, to be fair. And then we have Turkish Delight. I tell you what, these lids are on tight, that's for certain. How lovely is that? That is beautiful, proper rose goldy pinky colour. And the last one is Mermaid Blue, which I'm guessing will be my favourite out of them all. And yes, it is. I mean, what's not to love, guys? That is just stunning. So although this haul was small, I feel like it packed a punch and it was slightly mighty. I would urge you to actually go on Crafts for You and Crafts for Less, sorry, and sign up to their emails, because this is, I think, the second or third time I've seen this. They've done this, so I'm really pleased about that I'm getting these discounts, and hopefully once they're not at a show again, or they are at a show, they may do it again, and maybe you can be on that as well. I mean, they don't just do Lavinia, they do lots and lots of other brands as well, but I just focused on Lavinia because that's what I'm really spurring on to at the moment. Anyway, enough of this. I hope you've actually enjoyed this haul, and I would like to say a huge thank you for watching. I would love it if you give me a thumbs up or subscribe or comment. I would really appreciate it. But thanks for watching anyway, and hopefully I shall catch you in the next video. Bye.